Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, I've just finished filming for the day. It's actually 6:30 p.m. I have been filming since like 1 p.m. I think today, or midday. I've been working on all my stuff. There's been so many noises outside that has just interrupted my video feed and stuff. So basically I wanted to quickly update you guys what happened on Sunday. So on Sunday I went to GP. We are changing my medication. I was on a very low dosage anxiety med before, so we are now trialing me on a medium sort of quality dosage one, but I have to wean myself off these ones first. So I'm probably going to get worse before I get better, so I do apologize if I'm a bit all over the place over the next like month or two. But yeah, I thought I would just let you know how that went. That's pretty much it. Yesterday I had a rest day, well, not really a rest day, I had a house cleaning day. Did all the washing and stuff like that. Still need to finish folding it all. But yeah, that's where I'm at. I guess I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday 25th of January. It is currently 6 p.m. right now. I'm just waiting in line at Red Rooster. I'm just going and grabbing a chicken for dinner tonight. Just because Tina's now gonna stay for dinner, and I only had a small amount of meat out, so we're going to have chicken and the meat that I already took out, and sort of make it a bit like a barbecue. And so we're gonna have steak, chicken and salad for dinner. But yeah, I just needed something more and I just couldn't be bothered running into the shops and buying some more meat, so yeah, grabbing the chicken, and then I can always use some of it for Morgan's lunch tomorrow. Today I really haven't done too much. I've actually been resting because I didn't sleep well last night. Actually barely slept at all. I slept for a few hours this morning after Morgan went to work. I woke him up at like 4:30 a.m. or something, made his lunch, made him a coffee in a thermos, because I knew he wouldn't get out of bed at that time, so I wanted it to stay warm. So yeah, I didn't actually then end up getting back out of bed until like 9:30 this morning. But yeah, I've just been doing like editing and things like that and some stuff around the house. And Tina came over around lunchtime or just after lunchtime, and what we're actually doing is we gave her our old iPhone. So I got the new iPhone at Christmas time. So I've got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, I think it is. I think that's the name, whatever the biggest fanciest one is, because I use this for my vlogs. So I always get the one with the better camera quality because of that. And then Morgan got my old phone. So my old phone was 12 months old, just because each of us has a plan that ends a separate year. And then yeah, he's got the iPhone 13 Pro Max now, and then we gave the one that he had, which was the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I think we gave that one to his mum for Christmas. So I am currently transferring everything from her very old Samsung. Like, I'm talking very old. I swear she's had this for like 5 years or something now. So I'm transferring everything from that phone over to the new phone. So it's taking a few hours, which is why now she's here for dinner, because it's still going.
Oh, stranger. Still don't know my name.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else that's doing this.
Fresh, clean, new bedding. Hi, Lacey. Hi, guys. Welcome to Sunday, the 29th of Jan. We're just on our way to Morgan's mum's house because I left my wallet in her car, so I need to go and get it.
After shopping.
Yeah, after shopping on Friday. And also we need to go to the hardware store. She needs to grab, Morgan's mum needs to grab something, so we're going to take her, but Morgan also needs to get something. Currently we're stuck in a massive line of traffic. Trying to get through though, but
Been in it for a while.
yeah, been in it for a while now. It's nice and hot here again today. When I say nice, I'm not meaning nice. It's very hot. I'm dying.